Welcome to our comparison of two cutting-edge dash cameras, the WOLFBOX G840S 12 inches 4K mirror dashcam and the J-Zone's 3-channel dashcam. In today's video, we will delve into their features, performance, and pricing to help you make an informed choice. The WOLFBOX G840S offers a massive 12-inch touchscreen and dual-channel recording, while the J-Zone's model boasts 3 channels for comprehensive coverage. Let's see how they stack up against each other in key areas such as price, night vision capabilities, and overall functionality. When it comes to pricing, the WOLFBOX G840S is significantly more affordable at $169.99, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers. In contrast, the J-Zone's 3-channel dashcam comes with a hefty price tag of $599.99, reflecting its advanced features and capabilities. This price difference is a crucial factor to consider when choosing the right dashcam for your needs. The WOLFBOX G840S features a dual-channel system, recording from the front and rear, which is sufficient for most drivers. However, the J-Zone's 3-channel dashcam takes it a step further by including an interior camera, providing comprehensive coverage for rideshare drivers and ensuring that every angle is captured. This additional channel can be a game-changer for those needing evidence inside the vehicle. Both dashcams excel in night vision capabilities, but they utilize different technologies. The WOLFBOX G840S employs WDR and HDR to enhance low-light performance, while the J-Zone's model features the advanced STAR-VIS2 sensor, which is renowned for its exceptional clarity in dark conditions. This difference can significantly impact the quality of footage captured during nighttime driving, making it an important consideration for potential buyers. In conclusion, both the WOLFBOX G840S and the J-Zone's 3-channel dashcam offer unique advantages tailored to different user needs. The WOLFBOX is perfect for those seeking an affordable and user-friendly option, while the J-Zone's model is ideal for those who require comprehensive coverage and advanced features. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.